Dear students, taxonomic studies of plants, animals, and other organisms are useful in agriculture, forestry, industry in knowing our bioresources and their diversity. Biologists have established certain procedures and techniques to store and preserve the information as well as the specimens. These procedures are called as taxonomic tools or taxonomic aids. These aids are: number one, herbarium. It is a storehouse of collected plant specimens that are dried, pressed, and preserved on sheets. The biggest herbarium of Bowles Royal Botanical Garden at Kew, England, while the biggest herbarium of India is Indian Botanical Garden at Kolkata. Is that clear? Biggest in world, Royal Botanical Garden, and in India, Indian Botanical Garden. Now, Botanical Garden. They are essentially a collection of living plants maintained for both pure and applied studies. The largest botanical garden of Asia is Indian Botanical Garden, Sibpur. First botanical garden is Pisa Botanical Garden in Italy. Mind it, Pisa Botanical Garden is first botanical garden in Italy. The main function of botanical gardens to provide record of local flora for monographic work. Now museum. Museum have collections of preserved plants and animals for the study and reference. These are prepared for preservation of algae, fungi, mosses, ferns, animals, etc. because they cannot be kept in herbaria. Therefore, museum required. Insects are preserved in insect boxes after collecting, killing, and pinning. Largest animal like bird and mammal are usually stuffed and preserved. You can see the biological museum at your screen. This is the museum having different specimen. A lion is there, some fishes are there, because they cannot be kept in herbaria, so some plants are also there. So museum is the collection of preserved plant and animal. Got it? And botanical garden especially for plants. The next is zoological parks. They are the places where wild animals are kept in protected environment under human care, and which enable us to learn about their food habit and behavior as well. All animals in a zoo are provided as far as possible the conditions similar to the natural habitat. Largest zoo in the world is situated in Kruger, South Africa. Kruger in South Africa. Now, taxonomic keys. It is one of the taxonomical aid used for identification of plant and animals. The keys are based on contrasting character, student. In a pair called couplet. In a pair, these characters are called couplet and represent the choice made between two opposite options. One is accepted and other is rejected. There are two type of keys: indented and bracketed. And each statement in key is called a lead. You can see at your screen, organism has backbone, organism does not have backbone. So these two statements, one opposite, one dissimilar, one similar. So suppose organism has a backbone. So this is the lead. Now go to second key, फिर third, then fourth. In this way, the organism can be identified. Some other taxonomic aids are also there: flora, manuals, monographs, and catalogs. They are other taxonomic aids of recording descriptions. They also help in correct identification. Flora contain the actual account of habitat and distribution of plant of given region. For example, flora of Shimla. So you can read everything, you can know everything of Shimla plants. These provide the index of the plant species. So this is all about the taxonomic aids, student.